Okay, next tile. This one we had already cut an L out, but we needed to get about a 1/4 inch more off of this. So I'm just gonna cut this additional section out. So what we'll do is just run the saw right down to that section, then pull it back, then line it up on the other side. Same thing. Just gonna make sure I'm properly lined up here. I went a little bit too deep on that tile, but that's okay, you get the point. And we might just have to go a little bit more on there just to cut this a little deeper without breaking the tile. So I didn't get all the way through the tile on that L-shaped one, and I went a little bit too deep, but this is gonna go behind the door, so that's okay. You see it didn't cut all the way to that point, otherwise I would have scored the tile much deeper. So I could try and just hit this with nippers, but I don't want to risk messing up the tile. So what I'm going to do is just use this dremel, and I have a diamond bit for doing cuts like this. And then I'm just going to cut that remaining bit with the dremel so I can make a clean break. Alright, so we've got our dremel. Okay. And there we go. Tiles broke out. Pretty clean. I didn't mess up the tile any more than it already was, so I'm pretty happy with that. And that should be it. So that's how you use the wet saw. Make a straight cut and make an L-shaped cut. I hope this video was useful. If you liked it, please do hit the subscribe button and like button. Thanks for watching.